Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. So about number 2 we can put in here and here. So this one we have number 1. This one we can change by cosine of b over 6. Next, we have the formula in here. Cosine A minus cosine B equals to negative number 2 sine of A plus B over 2. And we have sine of A minus B over number 2. Now, we need to transform this one into this one. Next, we have the second formula in here. So we know that this one we can write into number 2 multiplied by s over 2 minus b over 12. So we need to transform this one into this one. So we know that we have the next formula that is about sine negative 8 equals to negative sine 8. So the negative in here we can put inside of this one. And we change the sign of this one in here. Now, we need to simplify number 2 sine of s minus b over 6 over number 2. And now we put b over 6 going here and here. And now we have the final answer. So we have 1 over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.